Hello everyone. Are you wondering what cosexual means? Let's explore. Cosexual refers to an attraction to others based on shared experiences rather than traditional notions of gender or sexual orientation. For cosexual individuals, the connection is formed through common interests, values, or life experiences, which become the primary basis for attraction. This concept shifts the focus away from physical or gender-based attraction, emphasizing the emotional and experiential bonds that draw people together. Cosexuality recognizes that relationships can be deeply rooted in the experiences and understanding shared between people, rather than in gender or sexual orientation alone. In essence, being cosexual is about finding attraction and connection through the experiences and bonds shared with others, making those experiences the cornerstone of relational attraction. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.